How to get $100 ASOS promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in ASOS promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites are for the promo codes, so you can go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I will be opening this one. Once you open it, you will land to the page where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. You can just scroll down and check it out. If you're interested in any of the offer, all you have to do is click on the option of View Coupon. So here's the coupon code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code. Now you can copy it. I have selected 20% off. If you want to redeem this promo code right away, click on this option, Visit ASOS. With that, you will be directed to the official website of ASOS. Now you can browse through the items and select the item that you want to purchase. And whenever you check out, apply this promo code and get the discount. Also, you are able to use other offers. Likewise, you can also go through other websites. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 ASOS promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.